5 ways that people use tech that infuriate me. Pressing the play button on a YouTube video. Teachers, I have made this one for you. So, if you're a teacher, please listen to this. I'm about to teach you a lesson. You guys are all about saving time. So why the hell are you wasting time by pausing the video like this?
It will do that 9-gut bit. It just went straight to that because, you know, I wasn't able to install it. Now, let's download the memes Trojan virus. Let's see, it should give the warning. This isn't what's meant to happen. Run, I guess. It's exactly what we want. Some kid-looking website with the memes Trojan virus. Can't.
Seriously, stop using that button. You can press the spacebar.
The download link.
Do you not know the spacebar exists? It saves so much time. Or you could just click anywhere on the screen.
Close it. It's just...
Or you could press K.
It's not as smooth as the iPhone.
Seriously, stop using the pause button. Not using the biometrics features on your phone. Seriously, would you rather unlock your phone like this? Or unlock your phone like this? I know people who like to unlock their phones by the pin, and usually, when I ask them as to why they don't just use the biometrics, it's because they can't be asked to set it up. But seriously, you save so much time by doing that. So why don't you take advantage of it? You're just wasting time, you f***ing idiot. Using them front camera covers. I mean, come on, seriously. The Chinese aren't watching you through your front camera. They're not gonna give a about you. But even if you're that f***ing paranoid about it, just block the camera access on your phone. It's not that hard. These things are ugly eyesores. I mean, look at it. It covers up part of your status bar. It looks so f***ing ugly. Stop using them, you f***ing idiot, or we're gonna have a problem. Not using keyboard shortcuts. Seriously, if you copy and paste your text like this, you should not be allowed anywhere near a computer. Do you not realise you can just copy and paste your text like this? It's so much easier, isn't it? Control C, Control V. Or underlining your text like this. Seriously, man? You're better than that. Press Control U instead. Or opening a tab like this. Just press Control T. Using the Snapchat camera as your main camera to take photos. Really? It's like, I don't understand why people do this. Like, why? Because the main camera app on your phone that is optimized and designed specifically by your phone's company for your phone, if you take photos in that, it's gonna look better than the Snapchat camera. Plus, why would you use the Snapchat camera? It's a waste of time. You've got an extra step. You have to press that save button. Just why'd you do it? It's seriously a waste of time. I mean, look at these 2 photos I took in the Snapchat camera and the actual camera on my phone. It's obvious which one looks better, doesn't it? Stop using it. It's so fucking annoying. Like, why? You just must be like some sort of massive social media addict or something to be using that. What ways do people use tech that infuriate you? Please let me know in the comments, and if you would like to see more of these videos, stay tuned since I'm going to be releasing videos like this every single week. Anyway, thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.